Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita smartphone. To fix battery draining on your ZTE, first of all open Settings application and then scroll down to Battery menu and open it. Then the first thing that we should do is tap Optimize Battery Usage. You will be presented with the list of actions that will be performed in order to optimize your battery. Now, if you don't want something listed here to happen, just uncheck the circles next to these options. Then tap Optimize. Okay, so it disabled GPS. Now it asks for location. Okay, let it choose location. Tap down, and as you can see, it increased our battery life by about 8 hours. So this single solution and at the same time very complex one basically fixes our battery like nothing else. But we can also enable power saver on our smartphone, which is another complex solution which will make your battery life even up to 2 times longer. But if you don't want to use power saver, you can disable this feature. Now, besides, let's check the applications that use the most of our battery power. And if you want to restrict background activity for some of these applications in order to basically reduce the background consumption of your smartphone's battery, you have to go to Apps AI Control, and you will be presented with the list of the applications that are controlled by your system AI to optimize your battery. If you want to prevent some of these applications from abusing your battery in the background, you have to select this application and then change its auto start or a secondary launch or background running in the first place to not allowed. This way you will prevent this app from running in the background of your smartphone and will of course reduce the battery draining of your smartphone. Now, besides, you can go to apps, tap See All apps, and find the applications that you don't recognize. And if you don't recognize an application here, you can remove it from your smartphone by selecting it, tapping Uninstall. This will not only reduce the background activity, but it will also free up some storage space on your device, and both things will heavily affect your battery draining in a good way, of course. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.